5 to 6 centimeter long to 0.8 centimeter. Put your fingers here. Don't cut completely. You need to show this kind of edges. Guys, someone is asking, I want to learn to cut salmon nigiri. Okay guys, I'm gonna show you how to cut nigiri salmon in traditional way. Let's begin. Some sushi chefs are often to use yanagiba knife, single bevel, but you can still use other knife like sujihiki, double bevel. Okay, let's start. First, let's talk about the size. So in traditional, the size of nigiri is 5 to 6 centimeter long, 2.5 to 3 centimeter wide. The thickness is 0.5 to 0.8 centimeter. Okay? This is the size in traditional way. Now I'm gonna show you what part of salmon you can use for nigiri and what chefs are often to use. Okay, let's start in the dorsal part. Again, place your finger here to hold. Don't cut totally. Turn your knife in this position and then cut. Need to see the edges. One more time. Like this. Take note, remember to cut when it crosses the line. Like this. Not together with lines. Okay? Now I'm gonna show you the belly part. Some sushi chefs are cutting like this. 6 centimeter. And then they cut like this. Okay? They cut like this. Again, 5 to 6 centimeter long, 2.5 to 3 centimeter wide, and the thickness is up to 0.8 centimeter. Okay? Now, this is the best part. Many chefs are often to use, and I am using this technique also. So, measuring like this, 3 fingers here. That's it. As you can see, they are not the same. This is more thick, so we have to cut a little bit here so that it will become equal, like that. Okay? Now, always start in the tail part. So this position is not good in making nigiri. So I'm going to show you the strategy so that you will not be confused. Just like what I said, always start in the tail part. If in the tail part, not cross the lines, you only need one move to find the best way. Watch carefully. As you can see, this is the tail part and this is the going to the head of salmon. So you only just need to flip like this so that you will find cross the line. Okay, so now you can start cutting like this. Okay, 5 to 6 centimeter long, so cut like this. This is the nigiri that you need to be cut. So place your fingers here and start cutting. Don't cut completely. Stop and then position your knife like this position. Then start cutting totally, completely. You need to show this kind of edges. Again, I'm gonna show you. Put your fingers here. Don't cut completely. Turn the knife like this and then cut completely. Again, nigiri need to see the edges like this. Okay? Again, one more time. Again. That's it. Again, this is the most strategy on how to cut nigiri. Okay guys, I hope you learned something. Please like this video and don't forget to subscribe. If you need something that you want me to do, just comment below. Again, thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe.